Meaning of irascible.
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 Irascible. The word irascible refers to someone who is easily angered or has a quick and hot temper. Such individuals are likely to get upset over even the smallest inconveniences and react in an explosive manner. They may be prone to outbursts of anger, shouting, or displaying physical aggression. Their irritable nature can make it difficult for them to maintain healthy relationships with others, and they may struggle to control their emotions in challenging situations. In short, an irascible person tends to have a short fuse and can be easily provoked into losing their cool.